Hello, everybody. It's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is a box of 45 3D fabric paint colors. Art supplies from Shuttle Art, and this is going to be 3D fabric paint. Let me tell you, this thing is going to be packed with a lot of stuff that you can use this for to have activity and craft time with your kiddos or just yourself. They're going to give you this nice kit. In the kit here, you're going to see, I love how it's just displayed with these 45 colors. These 45 colors are going to be vibrant. They're going to be glow in the dark colors. There's going to be glitter, metallic. This is going to add texture to your fabrics like t-shirts, jeans. You can even put this on like a glass bottle. You can write on canvas bag, on canvas. Speaking of canvas, they do give you a little sheet of canvas here to go ahead. It has this little artwork on. They're going to give you some stencils to help maybe the kids kick the like an Easter egg here. A pumpkin for fall, a tomato, a feather, shamrock. So there's a lot of, and there's more stencils in there. So you would just peel this off and then have the kids just color in there and then pull the sticker off. These are going to be, keep their color during, you can even use this in the wash. It's machine washable. After it dries and sets, colors won't fade. And you do get this nice little, almost looks like a claw, like a bear claw. Painter's palette here. You can still mix these colors. They're going to include a fabric marker so you can outline and then have the kids color, and then include 3 brushes too as well. Looks like some fine tips and then a flat tip. Go ahead and open these brushes up and just pull a paint out just to show you. Now there is a plastic insert. You can't pull the paints through it. You can see here what happens. But if I pull out this pink one, keep that in there. You can see here, these are going to be a 1 ounce bottle and it'll tell you the color here. So this is hot pink and we can unscrew and you're going to, what I love is you get these like fine points right here, right? So we can go ahead and easily squirt some into a painter's palette if we wanted to do some brushing, or you could have the kids go ahead and just apply some on the paper itself. So let's see. Oh, yep. It comes up pretty fast. If I wanted to do the Big Dipper here and trace that, look at that. And it's raised a little bit so that can dry and give that texture, right? You could color it in. You can see how easy it was to come out. I didn't have to force hard. So a light push and it will come out, which is really good quality paint. So you're going to see that it is easy to work with, which I really like. So you have some pink there. Let's say I want to add a little glitter in there now. Look at this. This is glitter gold. Check that out. So I wanted to do the ring of Saturn. It just comes out so easy. Look how cool that is. That's going to set and dry. This could be, picture this on a shirt, plastic tumbler that your kids have to make it their own, give it their own touch, their own spin. So I really like these. And I love how you can just screw back on this cap to keep the paint secure, keep it healthy. We don't want our paint drying out. So remember to put your caps back on. Everything has a home. Inside, there are cutout circles, so everything just stays upright. I love this. It's just easy to see what color I need. You can organize it the way you want, but I recommend keeping the box because it's just so easy to just store this and keep your colors upright where you can see it all. Really like this set. 45 vibrant. You're going to get a painter's palette, 3 brushes, a fabric marker, and some stencils. You can start your projects right away. Endless opportunities to have craft time with your kids. Check out Shuttle Art 3D Fabric Paint. Highly recommend this.